We're here at the grocery store. I've got all 5 girls. I believe this is the first time I have all 5.
Just kidding.
And they've been very good. After this, we're going to go out for ice cream. We just need to stock up on really green juice ingredients, fruits, some vegetables. You know what I will buy though? Is frozen pineapples for smoothies.
Yes, I love frozen pineapples.
But generally we have enough food. But we just need a few items. Thank you. Yep, let's go. Oh yeah, this is one of my favorites as well. I know I always say this is my favorite, but this one really is one of the, let's just say top 4. Had to change diapers. Come on girls, let's go eat now. Thanks for having a baby changer in the guys' bathroom. We're here visiting the buffet. Got a lot of good stuff here. So basically this was almost 100% vegetables. I got a lot of salad and then a huge chunk of chicken salad on top.
Chicken salad?
Alright. Girls got mac and cheese, some Brussels sprouts. We'll see it later. We'll see it later. We'll see it later. You got soup? She loved the soup. That's one of my favorite parts about salad bars is the soup selection. Yeah, go ahead.
I have
You want to show it? You want to show it?
Yeah, but it's gun loaded.
Ooh,
2 chicken strips,
I like
a few
that. Okay, cool.
French fries, Brussels sprouts, and some mac and cheese.
Let's see Juliana's.
Kira wanted mac and cheese, so I'm sharing with her.
Okay.
Got mac and cheese, Brussels sprouts,
okay.
mashed potatoes, and then
Let's go eat. This is her angry behavior. Girls, thank you so much for helping me out. I couldn't do this without you. Let's go. What are you gonna do, huh? Say cheese. I love salad buffets because I would never buy all the different ingredients. You have such a variety in my salads at home. Good. This girl was just hangry, like another level hangry. All right, we're finally shopping. By the way, all that food, 58 bucks. So it's about $11 a person. About, maybe a little over. Well, you want some water? No, I got water for you. This cart has a cup holder, which is pretty cool. Let's get this. Here.
Leo, stay here. Leo.
Go ahead. Here, water. No, not that. This right here. Yeah, go ahead, get yogurt. The one that we always get, brown cow. Okay, go ahead. What flavors you get?
We got raspberry.
Raspberry, okay.
We got peach.
Peach. Here, can I see one of these?
We got cherry flavor.
So this is our favorite brand. I don't know if this is local or not. Let me see where this is from. Oh, Stonyfield Farms. That's a huge brand. That's kind of a corporate brand. Never knew that.
Can we get Lunchables?
One of the best parts of this grocery store is their bulk section. It's legit. Whole area. Look at this. Peanuts, walnuts, all kinds of nuts. Popcorn, rice, legumes, more rice, lentils, flowers over here, all kinds of flowers. In fact, we need pizza flour. Dried fruits here. Pretty cool. Okay, this is pretty cool. It's a honey station. Oh. You know what? Go ahead and grab one each. Because look.
Wait, which one do you want?
Perfect.
There's raspberry.
5 for $1.
They got root beer, Daddy.
Hey, go get one for you know who. 5 for $1 was meant to be. But yeah, look. So another thing you can get here. Balsamic vinegar, olive oils. Different type of olive oils, garlic infused. They've got these fancy glass jars down here, even small ones. So if you wanted to just try it, that's cool. All right, that's gonna keep her busy for about 10 minutes because it's so hard to get out of there. This is probably the coolest part. You can grind your own nuts or pecans. What are these? Oh, peanuts, honey roasted for peanut butter. Honey roasted peanut butter. So this machine will roast it into these containers. Look, it's spilled a little bit down here. That's cool. Or you can just get it pre-ground, but it's fresh. I bet that's way more flavorful when you do it fresh like that. Coffee, anybody? This is the biggest produce department I've ever seen. Apples, as far as the eye can see.
So many.
We'll eat all these, I know it. And if we can't eat them all, we'll juice them all for sure.
This one looks
Here, come on, just put them in. locals are calling our names. Okay, just a couple more.
1, 2.
Bam! Yeah. Our Kira's requesting honeydew, which I wouldn't mind. And this is my rule of thumb. The first melon I see, the one I'm grabbing.
Emerald?
The girls said we ran out of oranges, so JB just grabbed some mandarins, but I heard of a certain type of orange that I'm gonna look for. Right here, these ones, sumo mandarins. We'll get a whole bunch of these and see if it's as good as people say they are. I don't recall eating these, but they do have a funky exterior. Let's pack a whole bunch. Let's get about 8 of these, because I want to try a few. We got a legit seafood department here. Girls are already curious. Hey Bella, look. Wow, here, let's see what happens when she gets really close. Look at the crabs. I think this is the closest she's ever been to a crab before. I love crab, but I don't eat it very often because Judy's not really a seafood person. But you can get it fresh here. This is Dungeness. I'll tell you, Dungeness is very underrated. I think Dungeness is better than lobster, tastes better.
You're saying hi, crabs.
Are you saying hi? Yeah, they're doing something over there. With garlic, you want the skin to be really tight. That's the key here. Just one garlic. What's that? You're all done. Your honey's
organic, seedless cucumber.
Is it?
Yeah. Is that what
okay, cool. Put it in the cart then. For juicing.
I love cucumbers.
Yeah. Kara reminded me we need onions, and actually we do.
Oh, I didn't onions.
Look at this. This is looking like a pretty good cart.
Yeah.
So the girls are requesting Brussels sprouts. So we'll do 1 bag. Oh yeah, and balsamic vinegar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get biting it.
Brussels sprouts, the only way I enjoy eating them is when they're crispy from maybe a air fryer or a convection oven. Kale, is this the winner? Oh yeah, that's the winner. I think we're good to go. This girl's been so quiet because of that honey. Hey, Leah, thank you for being such a good girl. She always wants those zip ties, or the bag ties. I don't think it would hurt if you had one. Really? But what are you going to do with it? That's the question.
I bend it.
You bend it? Okay.
The first time you said I could play the zip tie a long time ago at Higgins, I was so happy I kept it in my room. It's in my room right now.
Okay, cool. You should keep it forever.
It is. And I have the receipt.
Okay, nice, nice. So there's a dish. I've mentioned this many times. The most popular recipe on my channel in terms of people trying it. Japanese sweet potato. So I'm gonna make it, and I haven't done a video on it recently. So Juliana, grab about 5 of those. Okay,
I'll grab.
Okay. Just put that right here. You want to get out?
Yeah.
Run. Just watch your sister.
Wait, where's Bella? This is how we keep Bella contained.
All right, Bella, come on. Can you stay calm, please? Hey, you're not supposed to ride the cart. Hey, please get off the cart. Bella, Bella, you guys go this way, she'll come this way too. See?
No, I don't know about that.
Let's just keep going. Let's go. Come on. Bye. Okay, bye-bye. Green juice, fruits, and some veggies. This is the bonus part of having lots of girls, great helpers. Thank you, girls, making daddy's job way easier. Watch out, this car is already racing down parking lot.
I'll hold this for you, okay?
That guy didn't even stop. You're supposed to stop at crosswalks, people, especially when there's kids. Okay, fun grocery trip. I just realized the 49ers are playing against the Packers.
Did you see somebody's office?
So that's why everyone's there. Everyone's out watching that. But after the Seahawks don't make it, I'm not really into it. Plus, I'm rooting for Detroit Lions. To all my Michigan people out there. Girls, thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's go have some ice cream. The bill was $117.
Is that cheap?
That's definitely
not cheap.
That's really cheap for how much food we got.
We know we only got.
But the big thing is we didn't buy any meat.
We only got fruit. Daddy,
and the only dairy we got was the yogurt. I have a feeling it was on sale. It was all fruits and vegetables. See, when you get fruits and vegetables, it's way more affordable. Okay. Now the ice cream's not. Hey, don't look at the light.